The power of compound interest. Why start saving early? Have you ever heard the saying, money makes money? That's the essence of compound interest, one of the most powerful financial tools available to anyone willing to save and invest. What makes it truly remarkable is how it grows your money exponentially over time. But here's the catch. Time is the most critical factor. The earlier you start saving, the greater the impact. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about compound interest, why starting early is a game changer, and how you can harness its power to secure your financial future. What is compound interest? Compound interest is interest calculated not just on your initial deposit, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. Unlike simple interest, where the growth is linear, compound interest grows exponentially. This means the longer your money sits untouched, the faster it grows. Let's put it into perspective with a simple analogy. Imagine planting an apple tree. In the first year, it produces one seedling, which grows into another tree. By the third year, you have 3 trees producing even more seedlings. Over time, your orchard multiplies, not because you planted more seeds, but because the trees keep multiplying on their own. Example: let's say you invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. With simple interest, you earn $50 a year, totaling $1,500 after 10 years. With compound interest, your money grows to approximately $1,628 after 10 years because you earn interest on the interest already added to your account. This difference may seem small at first, but over decades, the results are extraordinary. Why starting early is essential? Time is the single most valuable asset when it comes to compound interest. Starting early gives your money decades to grow, even if you start small. Here's a comparison of 2 scenarios. Scenario 1. Anna starts saving $100 a month at age 25. She invests for 10 years and then stops, leaving her money to grow until age 65. 2. Ben starts saving $100 a month at age 35 and continues until age 65. By age 65, Anna has more money than Ben, even though she saved for only 10 years compared to Ben's 30 years. Why? Anna gave her investments an extra 10 years to grow before Ben even started. This is why financial advisors emphasize the mantra, start early. No matter how small, consistency is the secret to success. While starting early is crucial, staying consistent is equally important. Even small, regular contributions can result in significant growth over time. For example, if you save $50 a month with a 7% annual return, in 10 years, you'll have approximately $8,300. In 30 years, you'll have over $60,000. The key is to automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer to your savings or investment account. This way, saving becomes a habit, not a chore. The power of higher interest rates. The rate at which your money grows depends heavily on the interest rate. A higher rate means faster growth, making it essential to choose the right investment options. Here's how $10,000 grows over 30 years with different interest rates. At 3%, it grows to about $24,000. At 5%, it grows to $43,000. At 8%, it skyrockets to $100,000. To maximize your returns, consider high-yield savings accounts, stocks, or low-cost index funds. Common mistakes to avoid. While the power of compound interest is undeniable, there are several pitfalls that can derail your financial growth. Let's explore these mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Starting too late. The biggest mistake you can make is delaying your start. Every year you wait reduces the amount of time your money has to grow. For example, saving $100 a month from age 25 until 65 at a 7% return yields about $240,000. If you wait until 35 to start saving, the same monthly contribution grows to only $120,000, half the amount. How to avoid it? Start as soon as possible, even with small contributions. Time, not the amount, is your most valuable asset in building wealth through compound interest. 2. Inconsistent saving habits. Many people start saving enthusiastically but fail to maintain regular contributions. Sporadic saving disrupts the compounding process, significantly lowering your potential returns. How to avoid it? Set up automated transfers to your savings or investment account. Automating your savings ensures consistency and removes the temptation to skip contributions. 3. Withdrawing money early. Withdrawing money from your savings or investment account before your goal is reached can severely impact compounding. Each withdrawal interrupts the growth process, reducing your long-term returns. How to avoid it? Establish an emergency fund separate from your investment account. This ensures you won't need to dip into your long-term savings for unexpected expenses. 4. Underestimating the importance of reinvesting. Many people don't reinvest the interest, dividends, or returns they earn, which limits the full potential of compounding. Without reinvesting, your money doesn't grow as quickly. How to avoid it? Choose investment options that automatically reinvest dividends and returns. For instance, many index funds and ETFs offer automatic dividend reinvestment plans. 5. Ignoring inflation and fees. Inflation and high fees can erode your earnings over time. A 7% return might sound great, but if inflation is at 3% and fees are 1%, your real return is only 3%. How to avoid it? Look for low-cost investment options, such as index funds with minimal fees. Choose investments that outpace inflation, such as stocks or real estate, for long-term growth. 6. Overlooking the power of small contributions. Some people believe they need to save large sums to make a difference. This mindset often leads to inaction. How to avoid it? Understand that even small amounts add up over time. Saving just $5 a day can grow to nearly $100,000 in 30 years at a 7% return. How to get started today? The good news is that starting your journey with compound interest is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your financial goals. What are you saving for? Whether it's retirement, a home, or your child's education, having a clear goal will keep you motivated. Action step. Write down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Break them into achievable milestones to track your progress. 2. Start small, but start now. You don't need a large sum to begin. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow into significant wealth over time. Action step. Begin with as little as $20 a month and increase your contributions as your income grows. 3. Open the right accounts. Choosing the right account is critical for maximizing compound interest. For long-term savings, consider opening a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. For short-term goals, use a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Action step. Research accounts with competitive interest rates and low fees. If your employer offers a 401k with matching contributions, prioritize that. It's essentially free money. 4. Automate your savings. Automation is the key to consistency. Set up recurring transfers to your savings or investment account to ensure you save without thinking about it. Action step. Schedule an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account on payday. 5. Invest in the right assets. To maximize returns, consider investments that offer higher growth potential, such as stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. These assets typically outpace inflation over the long term. Action step. Consult with a financial advisor or use robo-advisors to build a diversified portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. 6. Take advantage of compound-friendly options. Look for opportunities that enhance compounding. Dividend reinvestment plans. Automatically reinvest dividends from stocks or funds. High interest accounts. Prioritize accounts with competitive interest rates. Action step. Check if your investment platform offers automatic reinvestment options and enroll in them. 7. Monitor and adjust regularly. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so it's important to review and adjust your savings plan periodically. Action step. Review your portfolio annually to ensure it aligns with your goals and make adjustments as needed. 8. Educate yourself continuously. The more you understand about compound interest and investing, the better decisions you'll make. Action step. Read books, attend workshops, or watch educational videos about personal finance and investing. The time to start is now. Compound interest is a financial superpower, but it relies on one critical factor: time. The earlier you start, the greater your rewards. Whether you're saving for retirement, a house, or financial freedom, compound interest is the tool to get you there. What's holding you back from starting your financial journey today? Take the first step, no matter how small, and watch your money grow. Let's inspire each other. Share your financial goals or compound interest success stories in the comments below. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now.